All right, just give me one next same thing over there, sir. You understand? So
No.
drive, just
And when you have one your liquor, you know your liquor, see it, you're running. Sometimes me feel like say, you're just still on my baby. And I don't want nothing at all to go wrong with you.
I understand, Mommy. I'm going to forever be your baby. But I really want this. And it really mean a lot to me. So you still try to support me, even though you know, say, I schoolwork you want to focus on. I promise you, Mommy. I'm going to focus on the schoolwork and the running, but I want both of them. We don't have to pick one, Mommy.
you're a very sexy, beautiful girl. And I think you're very smart enough. If you read, come like you don't know who you're dealing with. What do you mean my name wasn't no good for you?
It's what I'm talking about. This is what I'm talking about.
You see, if you mean yourself no good, or you want to be better in a life, you want to elevate.
I can't really, when me think you just say you said to me. Because if I really that you depend, me not depend where you depend. Under no form of circumstances, me not gonna ever do that. No matter what. Me not do that.
Come down.
Like this?
Yes, down. Down some more. Down.
Like this, coach?
Yes, look a bit more. Too high. Definitely too high. You see them places, sir?
Shelly and everybody did start somewhere, Mommy, and I feel like I'm gonna be the next one.
Right now, the injury was the best thing that ever happened to me because it get me away from you. Like you were no good for my life.
Then I understand it. So sometimes when they come here, and then go on like say they shit can't make party, they don't know who me, you know. They don't know say me are the coach. And I me say anything me say goes right or so.
Since I gotta be the next Shelly, I'm near you to the end.
You see, if me not get nothing, you can't train at my training camp. I tell her that, brawling.
Then if I didn't money on the issue, coach, you could have just discussed that with my mother. Would have no problem for when my career actually take off. We can discuss contract or whatever it is. If you get a fraction, you have to benefit once me reach somewhere in a coach. Me not go just abandon you.
You see this a girl, no make she tell her no lie. She like me, Miss Francine. Make sure you come tell her them accusation. You hear me I tell her? You know what happened? Because she come on to me and because she hears me I give her scholarship. She feel like say she couldn't push on herself for me.